So I'm here with this little bird who wasn't moving on the sidewalk much to get out of the way or flying away. We're near Central Park in New York City. And I don't know if he flew into a window or something. They need to do better about the windows, especially at night, and take precautions. But it's not normal that a little bird would let me just pet them and get closer. So we'll see what we can do. 69% of wildlife has been killed off in 50 years by overpopulated, destructive people. Human population has doubled. Child-free, organic, vegan. Look up a factory farm video, help wildlife.